Oh, look, a little boy.
Mary's got your eyes. Both of them.
What are you gonna call it, Mary?
I'm going to call it... Jesus.
Hey, you said...
Yes! It was an allegory all along and you fell for it.
But you signed a contract.
Look at the signature.
Harold Pinter. You dirty what's Harold gonna say about this?
I don't care. I wanted to do an allegory and now I've done one. Get back!
Oh, where'd you get that? Oh.
Where do you think?
The Allegro.
No, the allegory.
Allegory.
This allegory, what's it all about?
Oh, come on, are you stupid? It's all about how we've lost sight of the real meaning of Christmas, how every year we drown under an ever-increasing pile of consumer goods.
Really, it's not very original, is it?
No. Well, I never said it was. But it worked like a dream, though, didn't it? And I just bet you had a little serious moment between the three of you, didn't you? Well, didn't you?
Yeah, well, the Sarge, he...
What? What did he do?
Well,
Well, what? No, don't tell me. He came out with some stupid moral, said that Christmas is a time for children, something like that?
No, actually, he prayed.
Oh, brilliant. Better than I could have hoped for. Did you kneel?
All right now, you've had your bit of fun. Get out.
Oh, don't worry. I'm going.
Where?
To see my husband.
Carlos?
No. His name is Joseph. And we came to pay our taxes. Goodbye, suckers.
We thought she wanted help. And all she wanted was an allegory. What's the world coming to?
I feel such a fool.
I know.
How do you know I feel a fool?
No, I mean, I feel a fool as well. Yeah. Hey. Oh. It's Harold Pinter! It's Harold! He's got the Pope with him! What are we going to do?
The way I look at it, there's only one thing we can do.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
Good night, Your Holiness.
Good night, Mr. Pinter.
Mind how you go on that tandem.
Sarge! Look, Sarge! It's snowing!
It's Christmas, George! For unto us a child is born. Christmas! A time for playwrights. A time for pontiffs. A time for all mankind. Christmas! A time for carol singers. A time for children. A time for the old. Christmas, a time to forget our cares and worries and rejoice in the birth of our Saviour. Christmas, the season of goodwill to all men. Merry Christmas.
The night we met, there was magic abroad in the air, like an echo far away. A nightingale sang.